I recently did a video on the hammer foot and had a great question. Is it the same as a Picot foot? It's totally understandable because they look very similar, but they are different feet. Stick around and I will tell you what those differences are. Hey everybody, Trisha here with Sewing Parts Online. So let's grab these 2 feet and compare. Here's the hammer foot and here's the Picot foot. They look pretty similar, don't they? So here's where the difference comes in. I'm going to flip these over. See on the hammer foot how the channel is flat? Whereas on the Picot foot, it's rounded. So with the flat channel, you're going to get a flat hem. And then with the rounded channel, you're going to get a rounded hem. Also, normally a straight stitch is used with the hammer foot and a zigzag stitch is used with the Picot foot. Both are great presser feet, it just depends on the look that you're going for. As previously mentioned, we do have a video on the hammer foot. I'll include a link for that at the end of this video. Let's take a look at these results. This is from the hammer foot. You can see how nice and flat that is. And then this is the Picot foot. Just gives it a little bit more interest. I don't know if it's just because it's around Halloween, but I think it'd be really cool to add a decorative element to the hem of your costume with this foot. Where do you think this presser foot would come in handy? Comment below. Next, I'll be showing you how to use this fun presser foot. But before we begin, please go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button. That way you get notified of any future video that we have. So the first thing we want to do is sew a couple of zigzag stitches and make ourselves a thread tail. Grab that and pull. Move that thread out of the way. We're going to take our thread tail, bring it up and around into the funnel. See how that works? Then kind of pull in your fabric. And then I'm going to lower my presser foot. Bring the fabric to, let me grab a little pointer here, just up to this little curved area of the foot, not into the stitching area yet. Pull on the thread tail lightly and do a few stitches and then stop. Now what I'm going to do is fold over just a little bit of fabric, enough for the raw edge to reach this side of the foot, and then sew a little bit and stop. You want to double check and make sure that the amount that you're feeding in is correct. To make sure that you are feeding the appropriate amount, you want to take the raw edge of the fabric and hold it over to this little toe or guide on the foot. As long as the fabric is right on that guide, you're going to feed the right amount through. See how cool that is? Just a reminder, if you're interested in more information on the hammer foot, be sure to click on that video. I hope that seeing these feet side by side clears up any confusion. If you have any additional questions, be sure to let me know. Until next time, happy sewing, everybody.